Well, hello folks. So if you pull camper trailers, it's a good chance you've had this happen to you. I have not had this happen to me and I don't want to. So my research shows that many of these made in China tires for these trailers get about 5,000 miles on them a couple of years down the road and then they blow. So I found a good deal at Sam's Club recently on some Goodyear Endurance tires. The Goodyear Endurance tires come with an N speed rating, which is 85 miles an hour. They also come with 8 plies of poly, nylon, and steel. So those two things alone make it a superior tire to the made in China tire, which only has a 4-ply tire and only has a 65 mile an hour speed rating. So I'm taking 2 tires off at a time, taking them over to the Sam's Club tire shop, having the new Goodyear Endurance put on, and bringing it back over to put on my camper trailer. So here I'm removing the second set on the second side, and then putting on the new tires on that second side. I'm using my Milwaukee 3/8 drive M18 torque wrench. It will take torque to about 100 foot-pounds, which is what the spec is on this particular nut wheel combination. So I'm all finished and ready to get back on the road. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Junkyard Tailgate channel. Good day.